Good day. I am from Exil Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
This is your second time round working in Malaysia, am I right?
Uh, Third time, if
Third
I
time.
can go there.
Okay. So
Yes,
why did you still choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because I already know the surroundings there, and I also familiar. That's why
Okay,
also
so
choose to go there again.
can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Rachel Esteban, 37 years old, married with two kids. I have a work experience also there in Malaysia for about 7 years with two employers. My first employer is I worked there at 2016 to 2021, and my second employer is 2022 to 2024.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, Ate. Do you have your passport already?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
December 21, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
Sorry.
What is your height and your weight? Height.
My height is 5'2", and my weight is 53 kg.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate.
High school graduate. So you mentioned that you are married, right? And you got two kids, which is 17 and 12
Yes.
years old. So who will going to take care
Yes,
of your
ma'am.
children once you come to work here in Malaysia later?
My mother, ma'am.
Your mother. How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is already 75 years old and she's plain housewife.
What about your husband? How old is he and what is his occupation?
My husband is already 39 and he's a security guard.
Okay. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have only one brother.
And you don't have sister.
I don't have.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest or the youngest?
Uh, I am the youngest.
Okay. What about your father?
My father is a farmer.
How old is he?
He's already 68.
Okay. So your family allow you or your husband allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have problem later.
Yes, ma'am. We don't have any problem.
Okay. So please don't dance the camera, ate. Okay? Focus na sa camera
Okay,
ha.
po.
So you told
Okay,
me
po.
or you just mentioned a while ago that you have a working experience here in Malaysia for almost 7 years. Your first
Yes, ma'am.
employer is you started working 2016 until 2021. So you worked there for 5 years to your first employer. Am I right? You worked to your first employer for 5 years, correct?
Sorry, ma'am. Just now, choppy.
Okay, so you
Lagging.
worked to your
Hello?
first employer for 5 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Chinese family?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know which place?
Johar Baro.
Johor. Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment here in Malaysia for 5 years?
I work. Uh, I work with that family with the three kids. My focus is on the kids only, ma'am.
So you do house chores. Cooking, laundry, and ironing, or
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
just do taking care of children only?
I do household work. Sometimes I cook for them,
Okay.
and I also do the what cleaning, wash car, and take care the kids.
You didn't do the laundry and ironing?
I do, ma'am.
Okay, how old are those Sorry, how old are those children that you take care?
When I came to their family, the first one is only 4 years old. Then the second
Okay.
one is 2 years old, and the other one is newborn.
4, 2, and newborn. Okay. So
Yes,
after
ma'am.
that, you work here in Malaysia way back 2022 to
I work for them in
2024,
five
and you
years.
finish your 2 years contract also to your second employer, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Chinese family also?
3 months.
Is it Chinese family also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in which place you were designated before? Sorry, in Johor Bahru also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your duties there?
Same thing, ma'am. I do take care of those kids, washing car, do the laundry, and ironing clothes, and do the household work.
You do cooking
Sometimes, ma'am, because they have
sometimes.
the
It's okay. How old are those children that you take care?
the first one is 8 years old, and the last one is 1 year, 2 months.
Okay. So what happened in your first employer? Why you decided not to continue working with this employer?
Because when the time I go back to Philippines, then the COVID was
COVID.
started.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. So what about the second employer? Why you didn't continue working with them?
that's I forced me to go home, ma'am, because I need to join the graduation ceremony for my eldest one. So
Okay.
I decided to go
So
back.
okay. So ate, working here in Malaysia is not new for you already, right? You already got
Yes, ma'am.
experience and you got two employers here. So you already know what
Yes,
are
ma'am.
those things that the employers wanted you to be. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, okay? So once you
Yes,
come to
ma'am.
work here, we don't want that you will going to compare your previous employer to your recently employer, okay? Because every employer, you know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
got different rules and regulations, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I don't
Are
know.
you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you? Okay, so are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time? Okay, so are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook food? Or can you cook Chinese food, Malaysian foods?
I cook a simple dish only, ma'am.
It's okay, but are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Sorry, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Can, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Not so, ma'am.
It's okay. It's a yes or no?
No, because I'm
Okay.
afraid of the
Okay,
dogs.
so can you speak Malay or Mandarin?
I can understand, but I cannot speak well.
It's okay. So you know that working abroad, okay, you know what are the rules and regulations, yeah? You have a 2 years
Yes, ma'am.
contract. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start work. Before you start your work, of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we
Because last time I
confirm.
didn't also get
It's okay.
last time
So
also.
it's okay, very good. So it's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then you can come. Don't give us problem. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. Okay? It's better
Yes, ma'am.
also to stay inside the employer's house so that you can save also your money, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Richelle,
Actually,
in
my last
Philippines,
employer also. I sorry, mama. Sorry.
it's
Actually, my
okay.
last employer also like that. They pay my rest day because I was still working for them.
Okay, very good. So in Philippines,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
can do whatever you want also, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing, and you also knew about it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Michelle. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Me
connected through
also, ma'am.
WhatsApp because Excel agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.